Hey there everybody, Thomas Wood with Microquant here, and today we're going to be talking about the peso, and more specifically why I have a bearish outlook on the peso, what I believe is setting up here over the next week or two. So what we're looking at, if you've been in the trading room for any amount of time, you know we were following the peso inside of this weekly pennant pattern. Worked out really well, broke out of the pennant, ran all the way down, tested the support at 073, and then has since bounced back up and gone into consolidation over the past several weeks. Well, now what we're doing is we're forming a momentum inflection to the downside here on the weekly chart. So what we want to see happen this week is we want to see a break of last week's low. Now last week's low was at 0.74725. Once we get through that, we should see the peso continue to pull down, potentially to test this 0.734 level. So that'll be the next support level. Now the thing you got to keep in mind is the big picture. If you pull up your monthlies, you look at the peso, we've actually been trading inside of a pretty well-defined pennant pattern here on the monthlies for several years, since about the middle of 2008. And if it is going to break and follow this weekly inflection, then we'd be looking at the peso potentially over the next month or two coming all the way down to test the lower end of this pennant down around 0.72. So if, again, just to recap, if we can break last week's low, we're going to have an inflection to the downside. First profit target is 0.734. Second profit target is the monthly trend line at 0.72. So keep an eye on it. Again, bearish outlook on the peso for the next week or so until proven otherwise. And that's all I have for today. Make sure you sign up and get registered for the commodity bull market workshop. Starts tomorrow night. You can sign up for that at www.valuecharts.com/workshops. I look forward to seeing all of you there, and until next time, happy trading.